here we are, episode 2, season 1.
Edit time.
Yep, edit time, yachting with the Grandys. Gonna do the walk around in a minute. And then we're gonna hit the road, head to Lake City, also known as Lake Pepin. It's a lake in between Wisconsin and Minnesota, very beautiful. Should have some great sailing, potentially 15. I'm meeting up with my cousin and her husband, and it'll be a good time. We'll see you at the launch. Bye. Motor needs to go up. Straps are on. Trailer's locked. Air looks good. Alright, up the motor and ladder. Here we are, we made it to Lake City, Minnesota. Also, some people call it Lake Pepin, but safe and sound. Gonna get the deckhands ready, use the latrine, head over to the launch, get the mast up, launch this sucker, wait for our friends, cousins to show up, my cousin, and hopefully enjoy some sailing. Looks like there's a bit of a breeze if you watch the trees moving back there. For those of you that want to know, we're at Rushen Park. I think that's how it's pronounced, Rushen Park. And that is the public water access in Lake City at the south end of town. So you have to drive through town if you're coming from the north. If you're coming from the south, it's right there. We're going to get this boat ready, Serenity, McGregor. And we'll see you guys on the lake. Our Captain Kim and Corey, after I lost the drone to the mast, into the water, and jumped in everywhere with my frantic recovery effort. And now we're just waiting on my cousin to get here. Beautiful day, beautiful day. here we are on dry land again. I got banged up, lost my shoe and my drone in the water, along with my sunglasses.
And the camera.
And my camera, my 360 camera. Great sailing. Alright, here we are in the truck. Boat's behind us. Got some fresh air over to the side here in that farm. We survived the trip to Lake City, and I lost my Margaritaville dockside shoe, deck boat shoe. What do you call those things?
I think that's their deck shoes.
Like Sperry, kind of like a deck shoe. That sucks. Lost that on a heel. Lost my sunglasses, which are only $2.50, but cool. And my kid scratched them anyway, so whatever. And I took my drone out on the mast. What do you call those lines that hold the mast up?
Halyards?
The halyards. Quiz for you guys, halyards. And that thing went, and the gyros made a really weird noise when it hit the water. And then I jumped in with the remote control in my hand, just in frustration, and that thing got wet too. And I lost my 360 camera on the bumper of the truck. So that's what happened. But we had a good day sailing.
Back
Oh.
against the boat when it was jumping on the dock. Goddamn, that hurt. It's not so bad now, but boy, it sure hurt for a while. I'll probably feel that tomorrow.
Yeah? Yep, I'll be feeling my lower back tomorrow too.
But otherwise, didn't have any issues to speak of.
No, we forgot a bolt, or we lost a bolt the last time, and thank goodness you had an extra.
That's good.
We had a little problem with the motor mount, and the fact that it came loose with the knobs that are supposed to pull it or tighten it in place. And we got stuck on the trailer launching the boat somehow.
That I don't understand. That was totally bizarre. And it wasn't the centerboard. It's just, I don't know what the heck was going on.
Alright guys, we're back on dry land. Good to be off the sea legs, good to be on flat land. My cousin and her husband really enjoyed themselves on the boat. My dad, Captain Kim, and I, we loved the sailing aspect. It was great. A little bit of rough seas at the launch, but that's okay, we got through it. We hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We'll see you again in episode 3. We will keep it a mystery as to where we're sailing, but we can't wait to share our adventures with you. Until then, subscribe below to Yachting with the Grandys. Ahoy!